Okay, so for the Picot cast on, we're going to do a knitted cast on for 5 stitches. So insert your needle, come around, bring through, pull out, place on your needle. Do that for 3 more stitches. Okay, once you get that 5th stitch on there, you're going to start your picots. So you're going to knit 2 stitches off of the needle. So you're going to insert and just knit off, and knit the next one off. Then we're going to bind off that first stitch. So just as if we were doing a knitwise bind off. Then we're going to knit 1 more stitch off and bind that one off. Remember, that's our picot. We're going to put this back onto our needle, and then we're going to start knitting more cast-ons. So we're going to knit 4 more cast-on stitches, and this can vary depending on how many picots or how wide you want the picots in between each stitch. So we're going to knit 4, once we get that 4th one on there, we're going to repeat what we just did by knitting off 2 stitches. 1 and 2, binding off that stitch, knitting 1 more, binding that off, and then sliding it back. So we would again repeat that, another 4, binding off. The chunky yarn, of course, gives you gigantic picots. If you're using a medium worsted, they'll be much smaller, but you can space them out more by adding more knit cast-on stitches to space it out. Right now you're 2 apart, or you can put them closer, it'd be right on top of each other, but probably space them out, be a little bit better. But that's the Picot cast-on. Super fast stitch refresher. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.